There are multiple ways to perform impact analysis, aka cross-reference reports in SmartTS. So I guess the simplest one would be to simply type a module that we are wanting to modify, search for it on all the information we have in the system, and once we get the report, the initial impact analysis is right in front of us in the search result statistics. So we know that in all these data types, our criteria appears this many times. We can also expand here and request a search XREF report, meaning show us how all these programs work together as a unit. So we started off the program, and the impact is now shown as a graph, so we can see all the impacted elements and how they work together as a unit. We can zoom out to fit as well. Another way is to simply click on one of the modules. So if we, for example, chose this program, we can click on it, and we get a quick XREF, which is a quick impact analysis to see all the elements that this module is accessing or accessed by. And even one layer further, we can request an action and to see a detailed cross-reference for that module, in which case we will see every single element referenced in. Of course, putting the mouse over, we'll see the lines of code and reference by. And we can drill down as well, clicking on the plus signs. A new feature we just added is to see a diagram of both directions at the same time. And in this case, you can click on these numbers here, and you can drill down in both directions. So this element referenced by these three elements, referencing our program, which references this copybook. And of course, you can export these reports in diagram mode. There's one more way we can get cross-reference analysis and impact analysis is by the reports, advanced cross-reference reports. Here we have multiple reports, most called assets, least called assets, assets nobody's calling, suspect orphans report. So we can go here and take a data type, for example, or a few data types, and we can request a orphans report, which will show us elements that no one is calling. So the impact here is helpful because we know we can remove them from the system, and we are working with less modules. That was impact analysis with SmartTS Excel.